My name is John Raymond McMahon, and I Ziebarted my Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. I actually started researching Ziebart before I even bought my truck. I've always been taught that it's cheaper to maintain it than to replace it. I knew I was going to make such an investment. I wanted to know where I was going to have it protected before I even bought it. I first got my truck Ziebarted in March of 2017. It was within a week of me buying the truck and rolling it off the lot. It's a very large investment that I made, not just for me personally, but also for my business. I feel it'll be less of a long-term expense since I won't have to pay for body work or frame repairs in the future. I've recommended Ziebart ever since I went there and I had the total protection package done on my truck. I've recommended it to my dad, I've recommended it to a couple other friends of mine who have gotten new vehicles since. I've been too happy with the products and services not to. I'm 100% satisfied with the products and services I've received. I had great customer service there. They explained all the different packages and options they had available. That way I was able to just get it all at once and have a lot of savings. As soon as I got a new truck, I wanted it to have the best protection I could get from the start. And I've taken it back every year within about a month of the initial date that I had it Ziebarted so that I could have a touch-up done, and I also have them completely detail my truck inside and out while it's there. And I plan to continue doing that for as long as I own the truck.